Hello everybody, this is Desiree. Welcome back to my channel and my kitchen. I'm doing a new thing. I'm not making a curry today. I'm making a bake, a tray bake. Yay! This is a new recipe. It was inspired by Gaz Oakley. He's a vegan, I'm not. So I have changed it around a little bit. But it seemed very delicious and very easy to make, and that's what I'm all about, easy and delicious. So let's show you what I got going on. Okay, guys, I have, other than a whole bunch of paper towels from patting dry the veggies, I have got some beets. Now this might require some intercession because I have never cooked with beets before, but today will be that day. So I've got beets, I've got sweet potatoes, 1 red onion, some fennel. I've never cooked with that either. So yeah, and an orange, okay? And some of the spices, I'm going to show you as I'm putting in the spices. I'm going to use some umami from Trader Joe's. Now I personally, I really like this. You know, this is inspired by his recipe, but I'm making it my own. Instead of the star anise alone, I'm going to do this 5 spice powder. And instead of some soy sauce, I'm going to do this organic tamari sauce. Very, very, very good. All right, you guys. So, oh, and the chicken sausage. Instead of vegan sausage, I'm using this chicken sausage that I got from the grocery store. Delish. Probably gonna use about 3 of these, chop them up in there. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna chop up all these veggies and kind of show you how I put in the maple syrup. I forgot about that, but maple syrup, the tamari, and my spices. And yeah, so I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so this is all of the veggies and that sausage cut up. I did notice that I just peeled the beets like I would a potato, and the flesh is a lot softer than I was anticipating. I guess because the beet itself looks like a rock. That's why I just thought it was going to be interesting. But I did cut and peel them on a paper towel not to get the red juice everywhere. And the flesh of the beet looks like what? That is the question of the day. Comment down below. As a matter of fact, I want you to Google it, because our God, as in the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, is very intentional. So Google it. You'll be amazed at what beets are good for, but when you see the color, it'll make sense. Okay, and then I took out the oranges and I did squirt some of the juice over here. I've got all of my veggies chopped in here, so now I'm just going to mix everything together, and this beautiful, colorful dish will come together. Hey you guys, that was so quick and easy. I'm so excited. I love that. So as you can see, I really just chopped up everything and I put it in the oven at 375 degrees, and I'm doing it for 50 minutes. I'm going to check on it. cut into these chickens. Some of them, as you can see, they got really like brown and just crispy and good looking. Yeah. But some of these, so good. But I just want to make sure that some of these are done, peoples. So let me do that, and then we will plate it up. Make sure it is good. Yes. Look at that. That is delish. This is chicken sausage with kale in it. I swear I'm always eating with kale. All right, let's plate this up. So I am gonna plate this on a bed of spinach, but you guys can just eat it as is or whatever you want. But it's got veggies in it. I just felt like it would be amazing on some spinach. I know that I better get more veggies than chicken because that chicken is gonna fill me up. I'm so excited. This looks amazing. Okay, so that's how I'm plating mine's up. Let me get just a little bit more onions. That's why I used a whole onion, because ooh, get me that fennel. Look at that. Oh, that looks so amazing. Okay, let me stop. Okay, so that is my plates. What else do I want? I don't want to put really anything on this. Like, I want to try it as is. And let's try some fennel. Fennel. It's really good. I'm sure I've had fennel before. I don't know, but I've definitely never cooked with it. And that chicken. And there's like this little bit of a sweet beet juice that got into. I'm so glad I added that amber agave nectar since it didn't have enough maple syrup, because I can see where these flavors go really good together with that hint of sweetness that you get from like those syrupy. This chicken sausage looked good, so I knew it was gonna be good. Yes. This is perfect for me in the wintertime when I don't necessarily like having a cold salad. This is just loveliness. Okay, y'all, you saw how I did it. You know, I don't measure when I cook, but oh my goodness. Anyway, God bless. I'm about to eat this up.